Guys, I'm Umesh and you are seeing the Jholmal tricks. Today I am going to show you some more shortcut tricks on integration. This is part 2. I have shown you 3 shortcuts on integration in part 1. So please review that first and come to this part 2. So today I am going to show you the 4th shortcut tricks on integration. So whenever you see such type of equation where 1 upon under root of any quadratic equation, you have to solve this type of equation within an 2 or 3 step. So let's start. First we have to find the value of theta. This is our first step where value of theta is equals to b square minus 4ac. And secondly, we have to check whether the value of a is positive or negative. This is our step 2, and after that the answer is in your front. So what if the value of a is less than 0, and what if the value of a is greater than 0? So two condition I have to apply here. If the value of a is less than 0, we have to apply such type of formula: 1 upon under root of a sine inverse of mod of f of dash of x upon under root of theta plus c. This is the answer when the value of a is less than 0. Means if the value of is less than 0 means the equation would be such type of like this: bx plus c minus ax square. So this is our f of x, not the under root. Only the equation is our f of x, means this is our function. So we have to differentiate. So differentiating with respect to x, we get b minus 2ax. So taking the minus sign common, 2x minus b, and now put the value in this. So mod of minus 2ax minus b would be 2ax minus b, and this would be your f of x when the value of a is less than 0. So guys, what if the value of a is greater than 0? So guys, I am showing you, if the value of a is greater than 0, so you have to take this shortcut. So 1 upon under root of a log of sorry log of x plus b upon 2a plus under root of x square plus b upon a x plus c upon a bracket close plus c, and that's it. This is your final answer. Now guys, I am solving the example on this shortcut. So the example would be 1 upon under root of 3 x square minus 4x plus 2 dx. We have to integrate with respect to x. So here the value of a is 3, b is minus 4, and the value of c is 2. So our first step is to find the value of theta, but what I have said, if the value of a is greater than 0, we have to not find the value of theta, because in this equation the value of a is greater than 0. So we have to not find the value of theta. So we have to not find the value of theta. We are skipping the step 1. Now the step 2 is find the value of a. Our value of a is positive 3. So directly putting the value 1 upon under root of 3 log of x plus minus 4 upon 2 3 is 6 plus under root of x square plus minus 4 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 plus c, and this is your final answer. So guys, just in one step you got this answer. This will consume your time. You will solve this sum, giving this sum for about 5 or 3 minutes, but I am solving this type of sum within and 2 or 3 seconds. So guys, this is very useful. So guys, please try to remember this. The next type of shortcut I am going to show you is in the form of linear upon a quadratic equation. Whenever you see such type of equation in which there is a linear upon quadratic, so this is very tough sum to solve. This would go for 2 or 3 pages minimum. So guys, I have having a shortcut trick for that also. So guys, first we have to find the value of a, is our step number 1. Value of a would be p upon 2a, and the value of b would be 2 into a into q minus pb upon 2a. And after that we have to put value of this into this format: a into log of denominator plus b into answer of quadratic equation. And that's it. This is your final answer. So guys, our quadratic equation is this. After finding the value of a and b, you have to put the value in this format, where a into log of denominator means our quadratic equation we have to put here. Then we have to integrate this separately. 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. We have to integrate this separately. I have given shortcut to solve this type of equation also in part 1, shortcut number 3. So guys, first see that video and come to this video. They are linked. So guys, this is our 5th shortcut. So I am solving the example for that. Just wait for a second. The example would be 5x minus 1 upon 3x square plus x plus 2. So here the value of a is 3, b is 1, and c is equals to 2. Value of p is 5 and q is minus 1. Our first step is to find the value of a, capital A. For that, what is the value of p? P is equals to 5. Then what will the value of a? P means 5 upon 2 into a means 3. Then the value of b would be 2 into a into q minus 1 minus p into b upon 2 into 3. So here would be 5 upon 6, and here would be 2 is 6, 2 3 is 6, minus 1 minus 6, minus 5 is minus 11 upon 2 3 is 6. Yes, and this is the value of b, and this is the value of a. So then we have to integrate our quadratic equation separately. 1 upon 3x square plus x plus 2. So find the value of theta first. What will be the value of theta? here b is equals to 1, then 1 square is 1 minus 4 into 3 into 2, right? 4 into 3 into 2 would be 1 minus 4 3 is 12 into 2 24 minus 23. So guys, here the value of theta is less than 0. So we have to apply this formula, 1 upon under root of theta tan inverse of f of dash of x upon under root of theta. This is the formula if the value of theta is less than 0. I have shown you in part 1. First see that. So putting the value 2 upon, what is the value of this? 1 upon under root of 23. 2 upon under root of 23 f dash x means the derivative of this equation. So derivative of this equation will be 3 to the 6x plus x upon under root of 23, and that's it. So putting this value in this equation, so a means 5 upon 6 log of denominator means our quadratic equation plus b into answer of our quadratic equation, right? So 1 upon quadratic, our answer is such this. So value of b is value of b is minus 11 upon 16 into our answer is 2 upon under root 23 into tan inverse of 6x plus here 1 upon under root 23 plus c, and that's it. This is your final answer with 2 steps. So guys, is this wonderful? Yes, it is. You are solving this type of equation in just 2 steps. I have spent a lot of time to explain you, but I would be solve it within 2 or 3 seconds. So guys, practice it more and more. This will make you perfect to solve this such type of sums. So guys, moving to our further sum. Wait for a second. Our sixth type of shortcut would be integration of px plus q upon under root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. So this equation is in type of linear upon under root of quadratic. Whenever you will see this type of equation, you have to apply this type of shortcut. I am writing here, please note down. So it is similar to step with fifth shortcut. So firstly we have to find the value of a, similar to step number shortcut number 5th. 2 into a into q minus p into b upon 2 into a. So our final answer would be a into 2 into f of x plus b into answer of 1 upon under root of quadratic equation, and that's it. This is your final answer. I am not going to solve it because it is quite similar to 5th number of shortcut. So guys, I am skipping the example of this. It is similar to 5th one. So guys, please try to solve it yourself. So guys, moving to 7th shortcut. Our 7th shortcut is of type integration of e into a into x sine b into x dx. So we have to integrate this equation where a and b are the constant. So guys, the shortcut for this would be e into a raised to x upon a square plus b square into a sin bx plus minus b cos bx plus c, and that's it. This is the final answer. So how would we remember such type of big equation? So guys, it's simple. Just we have to remember this first step, e raised to a into x upon a square plus b square. Then we have to write as it is, a into sin bx plus derivative of sin bx. Derivative of sin bx would be minus of cos b into x into b, and that's it. And if you solve this equation in step by step manner, so this, I think this would be for 2 or 3 pages, or minimum 3.5 pages. So guys, the answer for this is only in one step. So guys, moving for further, it's shortcut, a into a raised to x sin x bx, this is similar to first one, a raised to x cos of bx, we have to integrate into dx. This is quite similar. First step means first would be the same, and the second would be the a into cos bx plus b into derivative of cos bx would be sin bx. See, and that's it. This is your final answer, guys. These are the 8 steps for integration. This will help you for an aptitude test and for time consuming. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe and share. If you want more videos and want to clear your concept, please comment on your comment box to notify me. Please click on the notification button to know when I upload a new video. So guys, bye.